What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best laptops for engineering students in 2021. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. If you are looking to save a bit of money, we say look no further than the Acer Aspire 5 A515, aka the best budget laptop for engineering students available on the market in 2021. This product is geared towards home computer tasks and can tackle a wide array of tasks, offering a surprisingly strong battery performance for this price range. The company's opted for a modern hardware section featuring a dual-core Intel Core i5 processor, high-speed SSD, and next-generation Wi-Fi 6 connection. The laptop comes with a robust and elegant chassis featuring a silver finish on the lid and work area, plus a matte black design on the keyboard and the frame surrounding the board. The looks are quite elegant thanks to a thin profile that does not exceed 0.71 inches in thickness, while the weight remains around 8.8 pounds. To keep the productivity levels higher, this model sports a white backlit keyboard equipped with island keys for fast movement, comfortable touch, and proper spacing. You'll be looking at a 15.6-inch LCD screen equipped with IPS technology with viewing angles of 178 degrees and an LED backlight with low consumption. In the hardware department, Acer Aspire 5 A515 features the 10th generation Intel processor, the Core i3-105G1, which consists of 2 cores running at frequencies from 1.2 to 3.4 GHz, thanks to the Intel Turbo Boost technology. In terms of storage, the device sports a 128GB SSD. It also features Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0 technologies, an RJ45 network port, 3 USB-A ports, and a reversible USB-C type, a 3.5mm audio jack, HDMI video output, and an HD webcam with a built-in digital microphone. Finally, the integrated sound system, which consists of a set of stereo speakers with decent sound quality that is good enough to enjoy movies, series, and other content. As for the battery, the integrated lithium battery offers a continuous operation of 8 hours of medium use. For the listed price, we are quite impressed. The next product on our list for today is the HP Spectre X360, which gets the title of the best value laptop for engineering students that can be found on the market in 2021. The Spectre X360 comes with a surprisingly luxurious aesthetic with an elegant black and gold pattern. It is the kind of laptop you would expect in the hands of a wealthy millennial who owns a private jet. The device is equipped with an Intel Core i7H Series 6-core processor and NVIDIA's discrete graphics processor. Except for engineering students, it's ideal for photographers, digital artists, and video editors looking for a fast and accurate 4K panel PC. The thin frames offer a screen-to-body ratio of 90%, which is 10% more than its predecessor. Furthermore, HP has reduced the frame of the Spectre X360 by using the world's smallest infrared webcam. The latest generation Spectre X360 had a 6mm webcam, while the current generation has a 2.2mm webcam. Two 360-degree gold hinges will allow you to easily adjust the device between 4 different modes, including tablet and tent mode. Switching to ports, the Spectre has a decent selection of connectivity options to suit your needs. On the left are the HDMI 2.0 port and headphone jack. On the right, you'll find 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports, a Type-A USB port, and a micro SD card slot. The device sports a 15.6-inch 4K AMOLED screen. The panel features true black HDR with VESA certification, which is a technical way of saying that the screen offers richer shades of black, which increases the contrast for better visual brightness. Finally, the Spectre X360 also has a screen that protects the user's eyes, reducing harmful blue light without compromising color accuracy. This is useful for productive users who spend countless hours on their laptops. In terms of battery, this laptop boasts a 6-cell 72.9 VH Li-ion battery that'll give you up to 13 hours of continuous use. The device also comes with useful software, such as the HP Command Center, which has a dedicated key between F12 and delete for quick launch. It offers a thermal profile section that allows you to set the desired temperatures and cooling. There are 3 thermal profiles: default, performance, and comfort. For the listed price, you can't beat this guy. If you aren't hesitant to spend a few extra dollars to get the best premium laptop for engineering students that can be found on the market in 2021, we say look no further than the Microsoft Surface Book 3. Surface Book 3 delivers a luxury vibe from the get-go, and its impeccable build quality is instantly obvious. Under the hood is the 10th generation Intel Core i5 or i7 processor. The device's removable screen makes it both a laptop and a tablet, which is especially useful for creatives when paired with the Surface Pen. It offers the power to tackle video and game processing, which is unusual for a laptop of this size. The device sports a comfortable keyboard and a top-notch screen. If you're looking for a 13-inch laptop with the power of 15-inch and larger machines, or if you're a fan of the Surface Book concept seeking that extra power, this laptop is the one you want. The Surface Book 3 is exceptionally well designed. One of the best features is its magnificent screen with a 3:2 ratio that's perfect, and its definition of 3000 by 2000 pixels complemented by top-level brightness. Furthermore, the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 that comes with the top version is significantly more powerful than the graphics chips commonly used in 13-inch machines. We can say that the only other 13-inch laptop that offers this type of service is the Razer Blade Stealth. In addition to the bright screen and high-level power, we were also impressed by the quality of the keyboard. It is much larger than other 13-inch laptops. It's one of the most comfortable we've ever seen on a laptop. The Surface Book 3 has two batteries, one in the tablet and the other in the keyboard. Together they provide a battery life of just over 10 hours with normal use. The new Microsoft Surface Book 3 13.5-inch laptop comes in the size of 12.3 by 0.91 by 9.14 inches, while its weight is 7.01 pounds. If you can afford this beast, we say go for it. The next product we'll talk about is the Dell XPS 15, the silver medalist for today, or the best runner-up laptop for engineering students that you can find on the market in 2021. The machine gives us a screen with fine edges on each side, to the extent that the screen allows a 16:10 ratio by scraping every possible millimeter towards the keyboard. This feature was made possible with the addition of the camera, which is no longer below the screen, but significantly above it. And yet Dell still manages to offer an additional infrared sensor here for compatibility with Windows Hello. Good stuff. The screen utilizes the protective Gorilla Glass 6. The company is once again using its carbon fiber palm rest, mixed with an aluminum frame with diamond cut edges. We are looking at a top-notch machine here, and it seems that all the elements have been thought out in detail. This laptop also boasts a new keyboard with larger keys and quite a pleasant typing. No matter how fast you type, the keys remain fully stable, and the keyboard does not make too much noise. The company has integrated a new power button, which also acts as a fingerprint reader directly into the keyboard to further save space. Like most computers in this category, the 2020 XPS 15 gives space to a USB-C slot. Specifically, we have the right on two Thunderbolt 3 ports on the left and a USB-C slot on the right. Also included in the mix are SD card readers, which is quite practical for content creators who will be able to transfer photos and videos quickly from your device without cables. The device also offers a resolution of 3840 by 2400 pixels, which is equivalent to 1610 of the classic 4K UHD definition. The screen displays a wide range of colors, 112% DSI-P3 spectrum and 167% sRGB spectrum, which is among the highest rates we've seen on a laptop. As for the RAM size, the laptop comes with 16 gigabytes, while the hard drive is 512 gigabytes, which will be quite enough for most users. Good stuff, a thumbs up from here. And finally, after all the opinions and reviews, we have concluded that the Asus ZenBook Pro Duo is the best overall laptop for engineering students that can be found on the market in 2021, the gold medalist. If the only novelty here was the big, perfect screen this model offers, we would still recommend it as a good choice. But the manufacturer has designed an entire system consisting of two screens, a large main one in the standard position as on all other laptops, and another which is located below at the top of the base, approximately where the keyboard would otherwise be expected. The keyboard itself has been moved to a closer part of the base. The main screen deserves all the praise, especially if we keep in mind the ultra-thin nano edge technology. The screen impression is phenomenal. Flawless display, fantastic colors, the ideal black, a screen you could only wish for. It is a 15.6-inch display with 4K resolution. The auxiliary 14th ScreenPad Plus has a resolution of 3840 by 1100 pixels with a very wide 32:9 aspect ratio. Both screens are touch sensitive, and the icing on the cake is support for the Asus Pen. This is an unprecedented combination that opens up a huge number of possibilities in the field of productivity. Also, Asus has built in several handy apps that help optimize and personalize this environment. To meet the demanding needs of graphics professionals and engineering students, among others, NVIDIA has added the GeForce RTX 2060 Edition graphics with 6GB of GDDR6 memory and a 1680 MHz boost clock. This guarantees excellent performance even in demanding games. A high-speed 500GB SSD is the only disk in your computer, and 16GB of RAM is more than enough for the Windows 10 Pro operating system. This guy truly delivers. You wanted the best, you got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.